My name is Matt and I'm from the R&D team here at All Purpose Coatings. Today we're looking at a really important topic that comes up on almost every job: when and why we sand between coats. If you've done a few installs before, you've probably sanded between coats, but it's not always clear why you're doing it or when you actually need to. So let's break it down into a few key situations. Number one, when you're going from epoxy to Sparta. If you're completing a UV finish on a plain coat system, or in any circumstance where you're applying Sparta almost directly onto the epoxy, such as in a metallic marble system or a Sparta broadcast, you'll need to sand. There's very little chemical bonding between cured epoxy and polyaspartic. So sanding helps by creating a mechanical adhesion, essentially scratching the surface to give the Sparta something to grip to. When you're outside the recoat window, each product has a window where it will still chemically bond to the next layer. As an example, for epoxy and tetraethane, it's about 3 days. For Sparta 60, it's 24 hours, and for Sparta Guard, it is 36 hours. Once you're past these windows, the coating has cured too much to chemically bond, so sanding becomes essential to create a mechanical key. For a showroom finish, this one's all about the look. For projects seeking a showroom finish, you'll need to do a light sand before the final coat. This knocks off all the sharp tips of the flake and softens the texture, giving it a smoother, wavier look. And the last reason is essentially to make it look pretty. Even if you're still within the recoat window, sanding can help eliminate surface imperfections like dust, roller fluff, or bugs that may have landed on the floor during the curing period. Sanding between epoxy coats, for an example a prime coat and a base coat, flattens these out so the next coat can go down smoother and more evenly, helping achieve a clean, flat finish for your project. So, in short, we sand to improve adhesion between incompatible layers, to refresh surfaces outside the recoat window, to improve the visual quality of the finish, and remove imperfections between coats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with our tech talks if you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time.